What is up, YouTube? Wavy Boy DJ back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your Xbox controller if it won't turn on. Because apparently mine turned off for a whole year. Went and bought another controller. Y'all see that right there? Went and bought another controller, and somehow I started researching. I started trying stuff because I really want this controller back. I love the texture on it. It's just like the controller you want to have. And somehow it just turned back on from the method I used. So basically what y'all want to do is plug the USB cord that comes, well, it doesn't come with it, but you need a USB cord. You plug that into the top right there. Leave it on there for about 10 or 15 minutes and you'll notice the controller starting to heat up. If you don't notice this, then you probably just need another controller, because this worked for my controller. Nobody on YouTube has posted something like this yet, I don't think. So basically you're going to leave it on there for 10 to 15 minutes and you'll notice it starts to heat up. After that 10 to 15 minutes, you're going to need some batteries that are charged or that aren't dead at all. And you're going to keep the USB in, you're going to put the batteries in there too. What I think is basically doing is overloading to where it'll turn back on, because my controller wouldn't turn back on at all no matter what. And then you're going to put the batteries in there. You're going to leave the controller down for 5 to 10 more minutes and it should come back on. So if any part of this video helped you guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.